So I know that I am not posting videos regularly, but please understand this. My exams are in the next month. Now in this video I am going to tell you that if you are a YouTuber and if you have completed basic criteria for monetization, means 1000 subs, 4000 hours of watch time, then definitely you would have applied for monetization. And as you know, after $10 you need to verify your ID on Google AdSense. So what are the important things that you should consider while verifying your ID? Basically, I am going to tell you some tips that you should consider while verifying your ID. Let's start this video. But before that, hi friends, you're watching All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. So I'm going to share my story, or you can say share my experience that how I verified my AdSense account. Let's start this video. My channel AAT completed 1000 subs in the month of April, and basically there are three things that you should consider. First, you need to verify your ID, then you will get AdSense pin. After $10 you need to verify your ID, and after $10 only you will get AdSense pin, and after that you need to add the payment information. But what happened with me? I got my AdSense pin first. Now this is really different thing. In some videos you might have heard that first you need to verify your ID, then you get AdSense pin. But I got my AdSense pin first. What I did at the time of monetization, when I was filling all the details, at that time only I entered the name and address, and I did not verify the identity after $10 because I was not having any ID. I was not having PAN card, I was not having voter ID card, I was not having driving license, I was not having any ID, so I did not verify my AdSense account. But due to that, after next month, in the month of August, I got my AdSense pin and I verified it. It got verified successfully. But after that my channel got demonetized. Why it got demonetized? Because my ID was not verified. Please consider this. If you will not verify your ID after $10, then after 1 to 1.5 months your channel will get demonetized. Okay, basically I was in tension that why my channel got demonetized. So I logged in into the AdSense account and I saw that there was one message: you need to verify your ID first. I applied for the PAN card, and after 15 days I got my e-PAN card on my Gmail account and I uploaded it. But I was not knowing that it is compulsory that your ID should have 4 rounded corners. As you know that e-PAN card doesn't have 4 rounded corners. So I uploaded it. I uploaded the e-PAN card which I got on the Gmail account, and it got failed. My verification process got failed. So I was in tension that why it got failed, and I uploaded that same PAN card again. I uploaded that same e-PAN card again, and again it got failed. Basically there are only 3 attempts to verify your ID. Now if your ID doesn't get verified within these 3 attempts, then you need to chat with the YouTube executive, then you need to provide your channel ID, your Gmail, and after that they will send you one mail, and you need to verify your ID using your Gmail account. But that's really long process. Basically I will say that you need to verify your identity in these 3 attempts only. Okay, now there was only last chance. 2 attempts were failed. Now I was having only last chance. So I decided to upload my father's PAN card. Basically, you can upload any other PAN card also. You can upload your father's PAN card, your mother's PAN card, or any other PAN card. But what are the necessary things that you should consider while uploading any other PAN card? I am going to tell you now. First of all, you need to change the date of birth. How you can change it? Open Google Chrome, tap on the account, then select manage your Google account. Then you need to click on privacy, personal information, and then you need to change the date of birth. Now, if you are uploading, for example, if you are uploading your father's PAN card, then you need to enter the date of birth of your father. Okay, basically date of birth which is present on the PAN card. Then after that, click on save, open your AdSense account or log in your AdSense account, click on verify now. Then one page will appear. On that page there is option to change the name and address. Now you need to change the name. For example, if you have entered your name and if you are going to verify your ID with some other PAN card, for example with your father's PAN card, then you need to enter the name of your father or the name which is present on the PAN card. Okay. Next thing is the address. Now if you have linked your PAN card with your Aadhaar card, then you need to enter the address of your Aadhaar card. Okay, don't enter any other address. Basically now you will say PAN card doesn't have address, so what's the problem? But if you have linked your PAN card with your Aadhaar card, then you need to enter the address of your Aadhaar card. Okay, and click on save. After that, how to click that photo, how to click the photo of your ID. Now there should not be any reflections or glare. If you are getting any reflections or glare, then try to click one photo without any reflections or glare. Also there should not be flashlight. Don't use flashlight of your mobile phone. Okay. Next thing is that your name, date of birth, signature and your photo must be readable. Okay, they must be readable. Basically you should click one photo that should be readable, and when you will click that photo, then you need to crop it, but don't crop it too much. You need to see that all the four rounded corners are visible or not, and also you need to check that you need to basically leave some space in the background. Okay, and you need to click that photo, and all the four rounded corners must be visible and some background must be visible. Okay, now upload that photo, and after that, after 24 to 48 hours, you will get Gmail, or you will get mail from Google that your ID is successfully verified. Now what I did that same process. First I changed the date of birth, then I changed the name and address, and after that I clicked that photo without any reflections or glare, and basically I saw that if all the four rounded corners are visible or not, and I left some background, and I uploaded that photo, and after 42 hours I got mail that your ID is successfully verified. And I became so happy, so much happy, that I thought that yeah, now it's really good. Now I can focus on my channel because I was really in stress that what will happen if it gets failed again. So that's it. These were some basic things that you should consider while verifying your ID on Google AdSense. I will summarize it up. First of all, after 1000 subs, if you're applying for monetization, then if you're entering your name and address, and after $10, if you will not enter your identity, then when you will complete $10, after that, after 1 month, you will get AdSense pin immediately. But if you will not verify your ID at that time, your channel will get demonetized. And when you will verify your identity, then it will get monetized again. Okay. So next thing that you should consider is if you are uploading any other PAN card, then you should change the date of birth, and you should change the name, you should change the address, and that's it. You should click photo without any reflections or glare, and you should see that if your ID has 4 rounded corners or not. That's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Still, if you have not understood, then check the description below. I have entered all the information that what you should check, what you should do, and what you should not do. I have entered all the information in the description below. Please check it. And that's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video, and subscribe to All About Tech. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.